you still trying to unlock the Facebook Level Up program? It says stream from an eligible country, yet your country is not yet eligible. You're trying everything you can to see how it works, yet you have no idea how to do it. Now, the best possible way would just be to wait for Facebook to allow your country to be a part of the Facebook Level Up program. However, if you don't want to wait, then you might want to try this out. My name is JB, and I am here to help you grow on Facebook Gaming and increase your influence on the internet. If you want to hang out with me, I stream on Facebook Gaming every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. I also make new videos every Saturday, so make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any future videos. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. I am not 100% sure that this will work. However, I felt that I really needed to make this video because a lot of people have been asking me on a tip or trick on how to get around this issue. So I will say right now that I'm not 100% sure that this will work, and I'm not guaranteeing or 100% saying that this will work. I'm not saying that at all, but I'm saying is you can try. Another disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. Nobody is paying me to say any of these things. I am just sharing to you guys services that I have used, am using, and maybe they will help you out. So with that in mind, and if you're really willing to try, then here's what my suggestion is. So guys, my theory is if you use a VPN service, if you don't know what a VPN is, that is a virtual private network. If you use a VPN service such as NordVPN, Surfshark, or whatever VPN service may have you, my theory is if you change your IP address to a different country that is eligible for the Facebook Level Up program, such as the Philippines or the United States, then you might be able to unlock that requirement. I will post some links in the description to both free and paid VPNs. Once again, this video is not sponsored. I'm just telling you guys what I think will be a good solution. For those of you who live in a country that is not eligible for the Facebook Level Up program, and you want to try this out, please tell us in the comments if my tip worked or if it did not work. We would love to know. So I'm sorry that this video really isn't that in-depth. It's just more of a trick that I think will work. If it works, great. If it doesn't work, then I'm sorry. The best thing that we can do now is just wait for Facebook to make your country eligible. And I really hope this trick works. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, but then again, it's free to try. If you want to see my video on how to unlock the Facebook Level Up program, it will be over here. And if you want to see anything else regarding Facebook Gaming, it's over here. New videos every Saturday. Subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys next time.